Spring is here and so are the flowers, so with the Kaltech MY AIR, we can enjoy the flowers even more. Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Kaltech MY AIR Personal Air Purifier, and Kaltech sent us this for the review. So this comes in black and white. We actually have both of them here, but I'm going to open up the white one. So what this is, it's a personal air filter that cleans the space around your face and keeps all the air pure for you. Let's open it up here. It's a nice little white unit. You can see it's got a clip on it. So if you want to clip it to your shirt, I'm going to use the strap because I think that's a little easier. So here it is. It comes with this strap and it comes with a charging cord right here. Also comes with a little user manual and some caution stuff. So we first saw the Kaltech products at CES in 2022, and they were some of our favorite products from the show. They use this really interesting photocatalytic technology that cleans odors and bacteria and things from the air. And this one actually also has an included pollen filter, which is really good for this time of year in California, let me tell you. The way it works is that you either clip it on or you can wear it with this attached strap. And it's got two little clips here for little snaps right for the strap. Makes it really easy to put on. Here it is. So you turn it on. First you have to charge it up. And once you've got it on, it's got a little filter inside that purifies the air, kind of like in this little circle right around your face. It is supposed to purify about 7 liters of air. It should purify kind of all the breaths that you're taking in and out in about a minute. What's really nice about this is that it has a filter inside. And all you do is, when it gets dirty, about every 2 months, you just clean it. Just use a little Phillips head screwdriver, and you take off this little panel right here. And then this little filter slides right out. And there it is. That's the photocatalytic filter. So you can just go ahead and soak that in some hot water, and then let it dry in the air, and it's all good to go. You don't have to use any chemicals or anything else. You can just clean it and put it back in, and it's ready to keep the air pure for you again. Thank you.